How do you migrate to the cloud seamlessly? When it comes to migrating to the cloud, where do you start and how do you make it as painless as possible? One of the first steps you should take is researching all the available options to pinpoint the one that best fits your business. Consider providers that encourage the implementation of new processes and features while only following the best practices. Once you've made your decision, you will want to create an IT inventory. There's a lot of data to consider, so you want to ensure you're taking adequate account of all data assets. If you forget or overlook any data, you can run the risk of having a problematic migration. Lastly, take this migration as a learning opportunity to improve internal processes. As you cross off your checklist, make sure that you are also analyzing every step to ensure that you won't be making the same mistakes in the future.